In this video, we are going to remain in the administrative dashboard and talk about feature gating. Feature gating allows you to determine what features are going to be included in different tiers of your coaching. And this makes it be extremely powerful for how you want to display things to your clients, your athletes, your customers. The first is the tab visibility settings. And this depends upon who your particular client base is. For example, you can hide the profile tab from the users. A good reason to do this is that a site is being used for lead generation. Well, they don't need a profile tab for lead generation, so you might hide that. Report card tab. The report cards are valuable for certain coaching aspects, for business aspects, for athletic performance, and so forth. But it may be that for some types of coaching niches that the report card is not relevant, and so you can turn that off. A tutorial tab, you can turn that on or off. My sessions tab, you can turn on or off. The ask about my past sessions, you can turn on or off. The hide, analyze a web page, you can turn on or off. For some particular niches, say you are doing sports therapy, it analyzing a web page may not make any sense. On the other hand, if you are a business coach, it may be very relevant that you are capable of analyzing a web page. And then disable the floating action bar. So the get feedback and the speak button that follows users around, you can turn that on or off based upon your own preferences. Now there are two custom tabs. You can hide these tabs from the users, or you can uncheck them and let them see them. So for example, in this case, I've got a custom tab 2 that I am displaying that I simply call help, and it shows all of these replicator videos. And you can specify a height here as well to show the framed out area that is being included in this. This can be used not just for a help tab, but you might want to have your own proprietary software in there that you want to have included as part of your AI replicator coach, and you can put that in here as well. Um, Talking heads, if you have a clone from like HeyGen, you could put that in here as an example. And then all of the premium gating features. You want to enable this if you're going to do this. And you can see that there's an upgrade message. This feature is available for VIP members only. Upgrade your membership to unlock it. And then you can put in your upgrade button and the upgrade button label, and then what features you are actually going to control access to. So in this case, I don't have the voice feedback from 11 Labs gated. Everybody gets access to that. Instructional diagrams, proactive coaching, human-centered coaching, persistent profile files, ask myself, past self-reflection, consultant mode and KPI tracking, session PDF export, report card analytics, talking head videos, the stick figure pose overlay, custom tab 1 and custom tab 2, all of those are turned on, and they are gated at this point to a paid membership pro level of 2. Now, the way this actually works is that if I go to paid memberships pro and I look at the membership levels that I have set up, you can see that there is a standard, a premium, and a trial. And these each have an ID. So when these are gated to a level 2, that's a premium, which means that only the people that are paying $47 a month have access to those particular features. Uh, Paid Membership Pro is a plugin that allows you to control every aspect of your memberships that you are selling to people. But the ID that is shown here is the thing that's important when we go back to the feature gating. So what number you enter in here is what can be utilized. Now, if I want to have more than one in here, so let's say AI instructional diagrams, I want to have both 1 and 2, or maybe 1, 2, and 3. You can actually have multiple Paid Membership Pro level IDs in each of these. When you are done, you simply click on Save Changes.